Welcome you all dear students in my class again. And as you all know that CBSE has incorporated a few changes in the final blueprint of the question paper. So we'll focus more on objective type part that includes MCQs and very short answer type questions. So today I've decided to take some questions based on your poem A Thing of Beauty written by John Keats, so that you can have a grip over the poem in a better way. But before we start, let me once again remind you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do that and do press the notification icon so as to receive my latest videos, and do share the video so that maximum students can receive this. So let us start. First question which I have taken: quiet breathing implies A. healthy mind, B. silent breathing, C. healthy body, and D. all of these. So students, I am not telling you the correct option right now because I want you to assess yourselves first. You just keep your answer sheet ready, and later on I'll tell you where are the answers. Question number 2. It will never pass into nothingness. What will never pass into nothingness? A. happiness, B. beauty, C. a thing of beauty, and D. none of these. Third, what removes sadness from our lives? A. a thing of beauty, B. spite, C. dearth of noble natures, and D. all of these. Fourth, use of sprout is an example of A. happiness, B. grow, C. open, and D. all of these. Question number 5. In the green world they live in. Who live in and where? A. simple sheep in the world, B. simple sheep in the green world, C. daffodils in the forest, and D. simple sheep and daffodils in the forest. Question number 6. We are sad when made for searching is A. over, B. fertile, C. A and B both, and D. none of these. Now 7th question. Two things of everlasting beauty according to the poet are A. bar and sun, B. sun and moon, C. moon and trees, D. natural bounties and deeds of ancient leaders. Now question number 8. Grandeur is found in mighty dead because A. mighty are dead, B. dead were mighty, C. mighty were dead for their country, and D. none of these. Question number 9. Image of the real beauty created by the poet is A. an endless fountain, B. an endless fountain of immortal drinks, C. bounties of nature, and D. all of these. Now last question. The poetic device in the green world they live in is metaphor and symbol, B. metaphor and personification, C. symbol and personification, and D. none of these. So dear students, this was all in today's video, and hope by now you must have attempted all the questions with their correct option, and now you can check your answers by tallying your answers from the comment section box. And we'll meet again, and hope that you will keep yourself safe and sound by staying at home. Till then, bye-bye.